How to remove or turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Facebook application, and then once we're here on our account, what we need to do is to go on Facebook menu. To do that, tap on this profile picture, and then under Facebook menu, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on the settings and privacy option. After that, tap on settings. And then under settings, we'll have to go to this account center. And then in here, we'll have to scroll down and go to this password and security option. After that, you will now see this option, two-factor authentication. We'll just have to tap on this one. And then in here, tap on our Facebook account. And then after that, it will now show us the methods that we are using for our two-factor authentication. In here, you can use SMS or WhatsApp. But as for me, I am using this authentication app. So what I need to do is to tap on this one. And then in here, we'll have to toggle this one off. Let's just tap on this one and then tap on this turn off option. After that, we'll just have to go back and then refresh our Facebook account. So that's how easy we can turn off or remove two-factor authentication on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!